Transform your WordPress site from static to sensationally smart by pulling live data right from external APIs. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the exciting process of setting up dynamic data in WordPress, powered by API responses, enabling you to showcase real-time information directly on your website. This means your visitors will see the absolute latest, from stock prices to weather updates, making your content incredibly engaging and personalized. First things first, we need a tool to help us manage these API integrations for most users. A robust plugin is the easiest and most efficient way to handle this. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type in keywords like API integration or dynamic content. You'll see a variety of plugins designed to connect your WordPress site with external data sources. Browse through the options, paying attention to their features, reviews, and compatibility with your WordPress version. Once you've chosen a plugin that fits your needs, click Install Now, and then Activate. Now that our integration tool is ready, we can start connecting to our API. With the plugin activated, you'll typically find a new menu item or a settings section within an existing menu. Access this area here. You'll be prompted to enter the API endpoint, which is essentially the web address that provides the data you want. You might also need to input authentication credentials, like API keys or tokens, depending on the API's security measures. After successfully configuring the API connection, the plugin will usually provide a way to display this dynamic data on your pages or posts. This is commonly done through shortcodes, custom blocks, or widgets. Locate the option provided by your plugin to insert the dynamic data. You'll select the specific data points you wish to display. A circumflex euros. For instance, a particular value from the API response. The plugin will then generate a shortcode or a block that you can place anywhere within your content. Save your changes and preview your page. You should now see your website pulling and displaying that live information, updating automatically as the API data changes. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated dynamic data into your WordPress website, making it a more informative and engaging platform for your audience. Explore the possibilities of what real-time information can bring to your content.